Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and start our live streaming for today. How everybody doing? We've got one stock that's jumping right now at the moment. We've got ZNTL, guys, is about to break our current resistance. How you doing, Craig? So yeah, we've got one stock that about to squeeze at the moment, everybody. ZNTL, as we discussed, the $4, it is the support. The price reverse and now is about to squeeze up. ZNTL, guys, watch out. This is the only one that looking good. ABVO, one of our hunter asked about this one. Yes, here. I will wait for you to tune in, brother, in order to discuss this one for you. NCNA is still pulling back. Yeah, the $8 was the resistance. Now it's pulling back down. I'm gonna adjust the current resistance around the $8, and this is should be our current profit taken. BBLG jumped, but doesn't look that good technically. So I will wait for maybe a breakout here around the 138. But yeah, the ZNTL, guys, is the only one that looking good from our live streaming that we did earlier around 7 a.m. Eastern time. We discussed this one, guys. Hello from Turkey. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Oh, okay. I was surprised because we don't have anybody from Turkey who trade, but you are on vacation. Hopefully doing all right, man. Where are you? In Istanbul or I was in Istanbul like a few years ago, but there's other places in Turkey it should be good to visit. Enjoy your vacation, brother. So, ZNTL, guys, looking pretty good for a trade at the moment. And of course, we have a good entry for it early in the pre-market for this one, around the 468, no, around the 446, yes. This entry was early in the pre-market, guys. As we discussed, we did this live streaming early and we discussed the entry for ZNTL. We said this is one of the good trade that we could trade for today. And of course, ZNTL was one of them. And we spotted this breakout in the pre-market, guys, ZNTL. We bought it first because we said the breakout is around the $4.80 and the 440 was, or the $4, yes, the $4 was our support. So ZNTL, guys, is about to break the $4.80, which is the current resistance. And of course, here is the profit taken. So I might exit, guys, for this trade right now because we might have a pullback. We already have almost 6% on this trade. So I'm exiting on this trade just in case because we've got a resistance is about to be hit here around the $4.82. Current support now it is around $4.23, and the other one, of course, as we discussed before, is over the $4. Yes. Yeah, we have the we have the $3.92 and here the $4.22. Yeah, the breakout should be around the $4.80. Target is the 538. 538. This is for ZNTL, guys, looking pretty good for a breakout at the moment. We have the $4.80. 82, yes, is the current resistance. ZNTL for the market open, guys. And as we said, we discussed it early on our Discord. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, wherever you are. Good morning, everybody, wherever you are. As we said, ZNTL was the one to trade for today. We discussed the entry over the $4. Now we took our first profit here because the price reversed 6%, and we anticipate a rejection. It will be much safer to enter after we break the $4.82, because now if the market open and we're still below here, we might have huge selling pressure here around the 423. For now, we're waiting for another entry and breakout from the 481, guys. The only stock that looked good for today with NCNA. Yes, here ask about ABVO. I don't know if you look watching right now, brother, because you asked me in Discord about this stock. It's currently testing the bottom around the 28. For my opinion, this one doesn't look interesting for now. It look really dangerous if you want to trade it. We have to break first the 56 in order to have the 65. But for now is not that good. Just to say what I see right now from the technical is not good until we break the 58. This is for ABVO. Yes, here. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like, subscribe. We always go live every day on our YouTube, of course, around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Now we only have ZNTL. Let's see if we got another stock that jumping right now. BBLG, DRMA, ZNTL. Okay, let us go on Momo Scanner for spotting the top gainers in the pre-market. As you see here, NCNA, guys, a pharmaceutical company, have a major news. I think this one about positive data for the drug that they've been developing for melanoma treatment for cancer. We have good positive data. After that, we have BBLG. BBLG jumping 61%. Way different between the first and the second stock that jumping 164 for NCNA, but pulling back was almost around the 200. So after that we have DRMA or Dharma. After that we have XCUR, ZNTL, VRAX. Let's see the volume for this one, everybody. Yes, not bad for VRAX, ATPC and VRAX. ATPC, ATPC. Okay, let us see. We have it, I think. And the other one, BFA and VRAX. BFI, yes, BFI. Let us check this one. And the other one is VRAX. Yes, we check in the top gainers and the stock that have major news on Momo and X platform, guys. If you're wondering, this is Momo and X, where we spot the volatility and the stock that jump in the pre-market. As you can see here, the pre-market volume is really visible here on Momo. So if you want to join Momo, you can with my link in comment section below. If you want to have the scanner at the same time, the 20 free stocks. This is a special offer ended this month, guys. Limited time with 20 free stocks. So watch out, guys. ZNTL is about to squeeze up. ZNTL, guys, looking really good for a good trade at the market open. We might have a squeeze for it at the market open, so keep your eyes closed for this one. Let us go back and check this one, ZNTL, guys. The other one, BFI, could be good for today, but let me just check. Yeah, we have a huge wick here. So it's not that good trade, but we have to break first the 19 cent to have something. After that, we have here. Yeah, this one is a bit shady because it's heavily shorted. But I think we got some news, that's why it's jumping. Yeah, bankruptcy filing. It's not good. VRAX, on the other hand, looking interesting. It already visited a new low lately. That's why it's jumping right now. I'm gonna adjust the levels for the support, for the resistance here at the market open. But yeah, not bad for today, guys. This one could be good for VREX, 34%. Yeah, it's pulling back now toward the support. But NCNA, guys, doing all right. Was on our trade for today. We traded and we took profit just below this rejection zone around the $8. And now we're reversing. So NCNA looking good with the ZNTL. I'm gonna put alerts, guys, for ZNTL just in case at the market breakout. Yeah, we anticipate a breakout for this one, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to ZNTL. I'm gonna create alert there. Perfect. So hit the like, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget DJT rocking it out. Place, yeah, place or PLCE, man. Hydro Hustler, yeah, man. This one was one of the top gainer for last week. Place, now it's pulling back because it hit big resistance. Let us do a very quick checkup for the market. SMX is pulling back 19%. We got XXII, we got DJT, yes, jumped last week. We did chart analysis update for one of our elite hunters. TNON. This one jumped big time, then dumped. This one could be good, guys, for this week. Still, that's why I put it on the list. WHLR, not that good here. Till IMRX, ATBC. We have many stocks to watch. But DRMA, yeah, DRMA looking interesting, but now it's pulling back. ABVO, I'm gonna take it from the list. VRAX looking good. The other list, we have QH, nothing much. Those the stock that pumped last week, but now there is no action. So I'm gonna take those stock from the list here. Perfect. Yes, so let us go back to ZNTL, guys, the only one with NCNA. For the market open for today, guys, we don't have many stocks to watch. Good morning, wherever you are. Hit the like button on the way in, everybody. Yes, TN01 is holding the support tightly. Morning, Yasir. Already covered ABVO for you. I don't know if you saw my analysis for the stock that you asked me at Discord. I just asked if you're already there. Great. So I don't have to repeat myself. Great. Good afternoon, John. How are you doing? ABVO have good news, but it didn't jump that well. It's still below the resistance. I don't care about the news, everybody. If it's still the technical, don't support the fundamental. I don't care about the news. The news should break the resistance at the technical to confirm if the news is really good. Otherwise, no good. Because the news could be translated differently from the analyst is kind of relative, like the time. The news is relative, but some news are decisive and universal, like FDA approval a drug for pharmaceutical company. This is universal. It's not relative, you know. This is a universal law. The stock will jump and squeeze. ZNTL, guys, is still looking all right for today. As we discussed, guys, earlier, if you just came here, we already discussed ZNTL for entry over the 4. This trade was pretty good, guys, early in the pre-market for today. That's why we suggest everybody to trade with us early before the market opened by 2 hours, 30 minutes. And that's why we always go live early. Again, the early live, if you're wondering, we always do on Discord. So I'm gonna put the link down below for you guys to join us because we always do it daily. I'm gonna put the link down below for you guys to check. For now, we got many question about GEVO, but I don't like it that much. That's why it's not there. Let's check here. GEVO is there? No, I didn't put it on the list. GEVO. We have to watch, guys, this one. This stock, guys. ZNTL is the only one that looked good. GEVO, whoa, had broke the resistant, man. Yes, thank you for the reminder. $1.19 is going toward the $1.38. So GEVO, I'm gonna keep it on the list here with the ZNTL and NCNA. We've got 3 stocks now. Maybe VRX and BBLG could be good later. But for now, guys, we've got GEVO looking pretty good to go toward the $1.38 because the breakout just happened almost half an hour ago. GEVO looking crazy good, guys. For now, we got ZNTL for a breakout at the market open because now we've got 10 minutes left, guys. 10 minutes left at the market open. So don't forget, guys, hit the like button on the way in. Support the channel, guys. This is the least you can do to support the channel is by hitting the like, share our live streaming. Even better if you could share. Sharing is caring. WHLR. I'm gonna check it, John. WHLR. It is still on our list, but wait a second. Which list? Yeah, this list. WHLR, brother, is good, but not that good yet. We need to break the current resistance, the 729. 729 is the current resistance. And there it is. Yes, we have to break this level, brother. The support for today is the 517. Resistance is there around the 529. Once we break this level, guys, will be hallelujah. Yes, a little triangle here. This is the current resistance, just below the $7.29. After that, the profit taken at the market open is the 847 first one, then the 983, then the 1236. WHLR looking good. For now, guys, ZNTL is the only one that looking pretty good at the market open. This stock we traded in the pre-market. Look at that. And we suggest to take profit first around the orange line because this is where we're gonna get rejected. After we break, yes, we might have another jump for ZNTL. Guys, ZNTL, we might have the squeeze right now. Yes, we might have the squeeze right now. 484. Nice. ZNTL. We've got 9 minutes left and we've got the squeeze. ZNTL a new high, guys. Nice. ZNTL breakout now. Let's see if we got another support for it. Maybe I'll put support here for 50. This is the first support. Target 538, ZNTL. We have early breakout before the market open, guys. Before the market open, we've got a breakout. WHLR. Still nothing. IMRX. Okay. TNON, as we said, guys, the support, it is still over the 660. Resistance is a bit far. Let us go back to ZNTL. Breakout, guys, around the 482. It happened before the market opened. Nice. And squeezing now toward the 538. Guys, ZNTL is the only one that looking pretty good right now. The only one that looking good right now before the market open and is squeezing right now. ZNTL looking pretty good. Make sure to take profit, guys, anytime soon because the resistance is getting near. Right now we are halfway around the profit taking the 538. We anticipate a huge pullback at the market open, so I suggest everybody to take a profit there because we might get rejected just at market open. Look out, guys. ZNTL looking pretty good. The breakout already happened, guys. If you just came here, the breakout just happened around the 475. Target before the market opened 538. After that, we're gonna have a pullback. Now is 23, so 7 minutes left at the market open. So we anticipate a huge pullback at the market open. What a nice jump and what a nice trade in the beginning of this week, guys, for ZNTL. ZNTL still squeezing 509. Yes, make sure to take profit, guys. I don't trust it here, so I'm gonna take profit here just in case. ZNTL, we anticipate a huge pullback right now, so I'm gonna take profit just in case because now it's pulling back. Okay, ZNTL was great trade, guys. Very quick trade for today before the market open. As we said, this trade, guys, was good to enter in the pre-market before the market open. ZNTL, great hunt, guys, for today. Today we did two good trades, ZNTL and NCNA before the market open, of course, for both of them. And now we might do a trade for GEVO, but the volume is a bit light. ZNTL, guys, is pulling back before the market open. We could, or we might have a little push up until the 538. After that, we might have a flush. So this is the current resistance at the market open. So we have a resistance here that we should, or we ought to have a pullback around the 569 and the 545. I just put the orange lines as a target for you guys to see clearly where we're gonna get rejected. And the current support, it is there. We have a range, guys, from bottom and below for the top stock for today for a trade. Okay, ZNTL, guys, looking interesting for today. Before the market open, we have first support now is over the 464. ZNTL, NCNA, nothing much, nothing much. Is still pulling back here. Still pulling back. Okay. ZNTL looking interesting for today, guys, at the market open. Still trending down. And GEVO still pulling back. Welcome, guys. Welcome, wherever you are. Good morning, good afternoon. For today, we have a few stocks to watch. ZNTL, of course, is the top gainer for today. We already traded early around 7 a.m. at our exclusive live streaming that we do daily on our Discord and Patreon. If you want to join, the link in comment section below. Of course, we put it in the live chat section. We pin it down there. And of course, we took profit on it twice. And now, of course, there's another chance to go there, but is a bit risky, guys, for this one, because we need to first confirm that at the market open, because after the market open, we might have a flush down toward the 425 once again. But the stop loss, if you want to enter right now and catch the jump until the 640, is over the 464. Because if we broke this level at the market open, I will wait to buy there around the 4 and the 425. We got 3 minutes left, guys. 3 minutes left. So let us go and discuss our disclaimer for today. As usual, let us go and see how much time we've got left for the market countdown. Countdown to the bell. 1 minute, less than 2 minutes. So, guys, remember. Always remember that our live streaming is a bit delayed, and of course we're not financial advisor, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And of course, snatch your 20 free stocks on Momo NX. Of course, here on Momo NX, where we catch the top gainers, the stock that have mini news, and of course, catch the stock that we trading right now. What you seen, we catch NCNA and the other one. The link in comment section below, of course, for Momo, where you can catch those stocks, and of course you can actually have the 20 free stocks special offer, guys, end on this month, especially for our hunters who watching right now. So I'm gonna put the link as well for this down below for my broker, and of course to start our hunting for today. So we have to focus right now, guys, for the trade for today with ZNTL. Before that, guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in, as we said, because we always go live every day, 9 a.m. Eastern time, or on our Discord around 7 a.m. Eastern time, 2 hours before. So let's get right to it. Hit the like button, subscribe, guys, share our live streaming. Thank you for the support, and let us start our live streaming for today and trading session for today at Monday, 16th of September. So let's get right to it, guys, and let's have fun and have a green day for today. Market is open. Let's go. ZNTL and CNA, nothing much. I think it's pulling back, this one. GFO is pulling back as well. Let us see here. ZNTL, as we said, guys, is one of the stock that we traded today on our Discord. Was good trade because ZNTL was the top gainer for today and it's still jumping, guys. ZNTL is still jumping for today, and we might look at this. We have a bit of wick. We might test this level and then crashing down, guys. Be careful. We might get like a fake out here. You see, we have a huge wick. So yeah, we got near the 546 and we have a wick. So be careful. We might have a flush down. NCNA, on the other hand, 160. Maybe we got hurted here. What's going on? What this sound? Anyway, GEVO, nothing much, is pulling back down. ZNTL, as we said, guys, is pulling back down a bit. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. As we said, we always go live every day. Now ZNTL is pulling back, as we discussed, guys. It's dangerous to enter. That's why we took profit before the market open. We suggest that we have a hidden seller around the 546. That's why we pulling back. Let us see if we gonna have some stocks. Yeah, NCNA, guys, looking good. We might break this bearish channel right now. Resistant at the moment, guys. I'm gonna lower it. The resistance is there around 710. Target to hit, it is around the 788 and the 945. NCNA, guys, is about to break a major level right now, the 710. GEVO, guys, looking great. We have a big buyer for GEVO right now. Big buyer. GEVO. We got a big buyer, everybody. We got a big buyer for GEVO. Breakout happened in pre-market. Let us check the market. VRAX, I'm going to take it from the list. I don't like it anymore. DRMA, still. Let's see the other ones. IMRX, no good. Tell is pulling back. Place, yeah, time for a pullback for both of them. Place and Tell, man, they were really big gainer, and now they put him back big because they overextended. Let us see. I'm gonna keep the only one that look really good. DRMA, BBLG, maybe would be good later, but for now I'm gonna keep those. ZNTL, guys, could be good for entry, for reversal here. You see what's happened, guys? NCNA got shorted right around the current resistance, the 710. So for NCNA, it's good to exit there, guys, because we spotted a hidden seller there, guys. We spotted a big hidden seller for that one. Yes, we've got a support there around this level. So yeah, $7.09. It is the current resistance for NCNA, guys. NCNA big seller just came around the 709. So it's not wise to hold. I'm gonna just exit here, even though I entered with just 100 shares. I don't trust the trade for NCNA. ZNTL, guys, it could be good if we have the current support. Yes, it could be really good. Yes, it could be really good because this is the current support. This $4.64. Yes, now it's jumping. ZNTL. Man, this one is going. Let's check again. ZNTL could be the one right now. Yeah. So we only have ZNTL, guys, for today. The only stock that could give us a big jump, and maybe GEVO. So watch out, guys. The ZNTL is about to test our resistance at the moment around the 546 and the 569 after reversing here from the 464. As we said, ZNTL was on our trade and watch this for today in our live stream that we did on our Discord. It was near the 440, guys. Was better entry there, and we discussed the 538. 538 already hit at the market open, guys. We hit the 541. It was good trade for today. ZNTL, guys. Great hunt. TNON. Sam said, keep your eyes on TNON. Why is that, brother? Why is that? Let's check. Let's see. There's always a reason. Yes, man, it looked really interesting. TNON, guys, looking great for the moment because started to reverse. I'm gonna keep it on the maybe list here because it was one of the top gainer last week. Did 2000%. Is near the support now, so we might have a good success story of reversal for TNON. But for now, I'm gonna keep my only eye that I got, my only two eyes on ZNTL, guys. Because now we're testing the resistance precisely around the 546. Exactly around the 546 as we discussed, guys. What a nice test for our resistance, man. What we said, guys, before the market opened, we said this is the hidden seller place between the 569 and the 546. We went until the 544. We test, and now we're still pulling back. NCNA, let us go back. NCNA didn't break. That's why we exited from this trade, man. NCNA, we have this bearish channel. We don't break it from above. Short seller added around the 710. Now we going back down. GEVO, one of the top on a good trade that we should focus on right now, guys. This is it. GEVO. Let us go to GEVO because it's looking really good right now, guys. GEVO looking really good for a trade, a little trade here. GEVO looking good, guys, because the breakout happened in the pre-market around the 119. We got target to go to around the $1.38. Yeah, $1.38 should be a good target to go. After that, the 152 almost. So yeah, GEVO looking good for a little trade. Right now is jumping. GEVO, guys, 135 is about to hit our target, 138. Let's go. GEVO. GEVO. What's gonna be? What's gonna be? GEVO on the move. 135. Come on. The only thing is GEVO missing is the volume. That's it. 136. Come on. 138. We need the 138 for today. Yeah, 37. This is it, guys. This is it. I'm gonna exit right now around the 136. I'm selling GEVO right now. Perfect. So GEVO, it was a quick trade. Now we about to hit the profit taking, as we said. GEVO, it was perfect trade. NCNA, nope. I'm gonna take it from the list here, even though it looked good, but I'm not trading it. BBLG looking interesting right now because we broke the 138. There's a chance for the 174 right now. BBLG looking great, man. So we got three stocks now: BBLG, GEVO, and ZNTL. ZNTL big seller is started to sell around the 546. What a crazy trade what this was. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget. What a nice trade for ZNTL that we did for today, guys. This one, guys, we did early pre-market before this live streaming, 2 hours. We have a better entry just below the 480, and profit taken was around the 538. We hit this level at the market open, and that's why we pulled back after that. It was great trade, guys, and it's still looking good for another try to make the short cover here. Big seller there around the orange line or orange box. GEVO is about to test our profit taken. This is it. This is a big resistance to break around the 138. $138. I'm gonna add another support for GEVO there around the 120. ZNTL, nothing much, pulling back. BBLG, let's see if we're gonna have another pump for BBLG. BBLG already squeezed from the 138. Now we got the target to go to around 174. Exactly, $1.74. BBLG looking good, guys. 174 is the next target. Thank you, everybody, for hitting the like button. Thank you for the support, everybody. Really appreciate you being here. Any support is welcomed, guys. Okay, we pulling back for ZNTL. Be careful, guys. Yeah, this one is pulling back big time right now. Is Be careful. This one is pulling back big time at the moment. As we discussed, guys, this one hit our resistance, and that's why it's flashing down. There's a chance for reversal at the moment over the 425 for ZNTL. GEVO didn't break our resistance. This one is pulling back a bit. WHLR is testing the breakout, everybody. We have a breakout is about to happen for WHLR. John, watch out. This one is about to break. You asked me about this stock earlier. So it's about to break now from this current resistant, the $7.44. This trade, I think we did it last week. ZNTL could have a good reversal at the moment. I'm gonna take this resistance and lower it just there and do another profit taking for this one. Yes, not bad. BBLG is trying to break the 174, everybody. Let us do a quick check. A quick check, guys, for the stock that got halted for today. Let's check together if we got something for the stock that got halted. We've got NNE got halted, SPT, all of them halted at the first 5 minutes for the market open. Okay, NNE could be good for a trade for today. We're gonna discuss the top gainer later at market open, or the current top gainer for today. Let us check at Momo scanner, guys, and see what we've got here. We got top gainer for today here. We have still NCNA, even from the pre-market until now, is the top gainer, even though it's pulled back. BBLG, because of the news, guys. We have a huge news for this one regarding the good result on the melanoma treatment, the cancer drug, if you're wondering why the stock is jumping. After that, we have BBLG. We have manufacturing index increase in September. BBLG 93%. XTUR. This one I checked in the pre-market, but I think I don't like it technically. That's why I don't put it on the list for today. Yes, we got Dharma, ATBC. This one, I think Java, no, is light on volume, is dead, kind of dead. We have GEVO, of course. Yeah, we don't have something special for now. So let us go. Yeah, as you see here, ZNTL not good, or XCUR is not good. ZNTL is still looking really interesting for a reversal. Okay, nothing got halted for today. Last Friday, we have a lot of hold for mini stocks. Today is quiet, guys. Today is quiet regarding the volatility wise. GEVO, guys, is still looking really good to break the 138. WHLR, guys, pull back right around the current resistance, the 740. Okay, GFO is still looking good. ZNTL is still pulling back. Yeah, and we need this one to continue to pull back toward the 4 for better entry. For now, it's a bit risky. Let us check the full market. Nvidia is down 2%. NEO the same. We got CVNA doing 4%. I think we got major news for CVNA. Okay, we got price target increase for CVNA to the 157 from 142. Rating analyst average rating for is hold with target between 72 and 200. Big range. And CNA is still looking really interesting, guys. Good technical here, bouncing inside this channel. We got 3 pounds here, 1, 2, 3, 4 rejection from above. And here we have 1, 2, 3 tests from below. 3 tests from below for NCNA. Was the top gainer on the pre-market and still is. Still the top gainer for today, guys. NCNA. How everybody doing? Yeah, today we have a bit light volume market. Is not that active like last Friday. But this is usual, guys. This is the usual the case. When we start a new week, we have less volatile market at the beginning of the week. We have more stable, cautious, and cautious market. So it's not everybody going all in on Monday. Okay. GEVO looking interesting. Still below our current resistance, the 138. 138, it is the current resistance for this one. BBLG is pumping, guys. We might get halted for BBLG if we broke the 176. It was good reversal from the 138. Really good reversal here. We got a big buyer just over the 138. That's why we jumping again. We jumping again big now. Silvio, why on Wednesday the market will be crazy? Because you come back from your holiday. I didn't know that you are a whale, man. Rate cuts, yes. Yeah, that's why the market is a bit light on volume today. Let's see. We need action, guys. We need some action. So ZNTL is pulling back right around our resistance here, the 482. So the short is adding their position, guys, just around the 482. We need another pullback toward the 425 for ZNTL. BBLG want to break the 176. Market is slow. You know why we say the market is slow, everybody? If you're wondering, the market is good. Look, ZNTL did 50%, GFO 20, BBLG 100%, NCNA 140. So the market is not slow, but light on volume because just one indicator, which is the trade and hold. We don't have many stocks get halted. It's just few stocks. Look at this. This is the first time last week we have at least 20 stock jumping and one stock jumping like get halted like 7 times, but today nothing. We just have 3 stocks. So this is show us that we have light volatility. And Silvio, my brother, he just gave us the reason about the rate cuts will be on Wednesday, so we might have the volatility back on Wednesday just because of that. But even though the market is not that active, we did a good trade for ZNTL and of course NCNA in the pre-market. So this is why we suggest always to trade in the pre-market, because sometimes the market open will be really light and you don't have the advantage to capitalize and catch in the pre-market, because the pre-market is good to save our day, because sometimes the market is really slow and all the stocks that jumped in pre-market lose momentum once the market open. And the good signal or a good example is today. If we don't have this trade that we did in the pre-market on our Discord around 7 a.m. Eastern time, it will be really hard to catch any stock now because everything's pulling back. And CNA pulled back, ZNTL pulled back. BBLG, no, BBLG is the only one that didn't pull back and jumped. BBLG is testing the resistance at the moment, guys, around the $1.76. Okay, this one looking good, guys. BBLG is the only one that might change the direction. MLGO is pumping. Where's MLGO? I think we took it from the list here. MLGO, let me just check. MLGO is pumping, yes. Yes, sir. Let me just check again if it's pumping. No, man, I don't like it. It's pumping from the bottom, so it's a bit risky to trade this one. So maybe this one we gonna check later together, guys. For now, I will just put those alerts here, but I don't like it for now. I'm gonna wait for it later. So for now, we got ZNTL want to go down, GEVO testing the resistance, BBLG testing the resistance right now, guys. This one just reversed before the market open. Oh, during the market open, almost 50%, guys. What a nice trade for BBLG. We catch the breakout just there around the 137, and now it is testing the 176. What a day, man. What a day. Yeah, we testing the current resistance. Nothing much still. 108 for BBLG, 35 million worth of volume, so it's not bad. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, we always go live every day around 9 a.m. Eastern time or 3 p.m. Central European time, whatever the case will be. We always go live 7 a.m. Eastern time, of course, on Discord and Patreon, early access. Okay, BBLG, go BBLG. JR, yeah, BBLG, man. BBLG is testing the current resistance. GEVO breaking the resistance. ZNTL pulling back. So yeah, we only have BBLG and GEVO for today that look really good for a trade. Guys, hit the like. Don't forget. Come on. We got 34 likes for today. We need 50. Come on. Let's even this out. Again, if you don't like our live streaming, just dislike it. But there is always a but. You have to tell us why. Give us the reason. Don't be like my ex. Tell us why. Why you don't like something. Perfect. Let's get right to it. Yes, ZNTL. What a nice hunt for this one. As we said, guys, this trade was on our live streaming early today, around 7 a.m. Eastern time. Before this live streaming, we discussed the exit around the 5:38. The green line always the profit. The orange line is the entry, and the red line is the support. For now, guys, GEVO looking interesting as well. ZNTL, as we said, guys, you see what's happened, hitting our target and then flushing at the market open. So sometimes it's good to buy in the pre-market and dump at the market open. That's what happened for ZNTL. Well, yeah, we pumped a bit, but this was kind of a trap. Big trap. A lot of people get trapped in this area. ZNTL gravitating down. We have a huge gravitation pull for ZNTL. Even trading, you can explain it by explaining or resemble it by gravity. You know, we could resemble the short seller as a gravitation pull down in the center of the earth, and the pull or the green, it is the energy that we use to escape the gravitation pull. So if you want to hit the orbit and miss the earth and be in the orbit, we have to use a lot of energy to have the escape velocity, to escape the gravitation pull of the earth. So this is earth, okay? And we need an energy to go up and then fall toward Earth, but missing Earth in the process. This is called being in the orbit. And this is will give us the gravitation or the orbital escaping velocity in order to be in the orbit and be in the sky or in the space without falling down. But if we lost the velocity, of course, we're gonna going down and crash on Earth. This is what happened here, guys, to any stock. Like for Nvidia, Nvidia is on the orbit, of course, because it escaped this gravity of the Earth and now is going higher and higher and squeezing up. But for those kind of stocks, like pharmaceutical companies that jump in one day, usually they just jump in the space, then they don't hit orbit, but they just go higher enough, but then they lose momentum and energy and lose speed and then going down again. It's crazy how you can head and shoulders on that NTL. I don't see head and shoulders, brother. I see stars and moon and planets when I see the chart. I don't see head and shoulders. ZNTL still going down a bit, but still looking good technically. GEVO looking pretty good. BBLG want to break now, man. The only one that look interesting right now, guys, is BBLG for today. The only one that could give us something. MLGO is squeezing as well, 30%. MLGO, it is about to squeeze here, but I don't like the technical that much. So yeah, BBLG, guys, it is the one to watch before we wrap up our live streaming, because it's hitting a new high around the 177, 117% for BBLG, I think, yes. Okay, yeah, it is crazy stock till BBLG, it is squeezing at the moment. BBLG is squeezing, guys. BBLG to the moon. Let's see. Yeah, breaking out. BBLG is breaking out right now. Okay, but we have an option to buy just 200 shares, so I'm gonna pass. I'm not gonna trade this one. John, yeah, I agree with you. Tell is crazy stock. Let me just check it for you, brother. Tell is 27% down, but man, I'm telling you, this one is overextended. That's why we hit the 96 and went down. So now this one is going toward the 49, guys. First support. If we held over the 47, would be perfect for entry and reversal. Otherwise, this one will be down until the 29 because it's really overextended, brother. Look at this. This is not normal. And jumped on really light volume. That's why I didn't trade it, because it was really risky to trade. But yeah, you have two reversal zone and entry, 47 and 29. Two levels. That's it. What a day we've got, man. What a day we've got. So, as we said, GEVO starting to pull back. BBLG, we might have a fake out here. So I'm not trading this one. WHLR, on the other hand, yeah, this one is about to break, guys. The resistance around the 740. This one is trying, guys. We already did a short update for it. So we don't just do live streaming, but we do day trade and swing trade, guys. So WHLR, it was on our list, yes, last week. 729 right now is almost hitting the profit taken around the 8. We got the target for it around the 8 for WHLR. Now is around 740. So it's not bad. WHR is not bad for today. Okay, so what we got here, GAVO is pulling back. So we have pulled back right now, guys. Yeah, everything is pulling back right now. So we always have this kind of trend, guys. We have a big buyer, then they pull back and take their money. And then we might have a reversal after this pullback. We're gonna discuss everything, guys, later on our unicorn hunt. We're gonna do updates. Last week we did WHLR, which is pumping right now. We're gonna discuss, of course, tomorrow as usual. We're gonna do a live streaming around 7 a.m. Eastern time. So if you want to have better entry for mini stocks before the pullback, like what happened for ZNTL for today, you can join us in the link comment section below to our Hunter channel, guys, to have access to our live streaming. This one was really good, guys, because we entered here around the 480. We took profit just at the market open twice before the 540, which is the seller place. That's why we squeezed down. So we're gonna update you guys later on because it's not over. The market's still open. We're gonna update you about a new level for day trade and swing trade on our Discord and Patreon. If you want to join and have early access to our live streaming, choose the King or the Elite. And of course, you have Zoom meeting, watch list, daily watch list, request a stock. You can request a stock from us if you are on the King or the Elite level. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you by tomorrow.